Does a Craftsman LT1000 riding mower have a drive belt tension adjustment? I ordered and replaced the belt, and now it is way too tight. I don't remember having this belt tightened or even replaced in the past, but it's been in a local small engine shop several times, so it's possible some kind of adjustment was made. I just cannot find how it might have been done.
The typical LT1000 has a tension spring. It has no adjustment. Is the spring keeping the belt tight?
There is a clutch pedal that engages an idler pulley. The spring is pulling just fine, there is simply not enough belt to let the pedal rise anymore. Is there an adjustment someplace?
What is the long model number? Example 917 to 12345.
The belt part number is but has a replacement number as well. I have the belt 160,855.
You say belt is not long enough to let pedal come up?
Correct. It rises about 2 inches. Normally, it rises 6 to 8 at full height. This mower is very old. Probably 12 to 14 years. It's been to a small engine repairman several times. He may have changed the belt in the past, or even made adjustments. I don't remember it. He retired and closed his shop a couple of years ago, or he'd have gotten this problem. His show was about 100 down the road from my house.
http://www.shopyourway.com/manuals/27103. Page 24 in Owner's Manual shows the belt routing. Do you have the belt routed properly through the 2 idlers? There is no adjustment, and belt appears to be the correct length.
It's correct, and not binding on any of the belt guides, etc. It pulled the mower just fine. Just won't shift out of gear. Too tight, and not enough action by the idler pulley. Okay, I didn't see any adjustment places, but I thought that I could have missed it. My next option, I suppose, is to go to a longer belt. If the belt is supposed to be a half an inch by 95 inches, would a 97 inches belt be too long to start with? I also changed out the transaxle pulley yesterday, so there is no guarantee that it is exactly the same size. I cut the old one all up with a side grinder, getting it off the shaft.
Are you comparing new belt to old? I know you think belt routing is correct, but I think the belt is ring through the idlers. Back side of belt goes to the flat idler. A longer belt would give more pedal travel, but 2 inches would be a lot.
Okay. I did triple check the idlers and the belt routing. I had it wrong first, but went to the manual and corrected it. With the pulley keepers and the V side in the V pulleys and flat side on the flat idler, there is not much room for a mistake. Last night I went to the tractor store and measured the belt. It's just a little over 94 inches. Supposed to be 95 inches. Would that be enough to take up that much pedal? Still with me? I tend to believe that the pulley might be a bit bigger. At 9 inches, if the pulley is even a 1/4 inch larger, it would make a pretty big difference, and if the belt is actually 3/4 of an inch short, well, you understand. So my remaining question is, how much longer do I want to make the belt? Or will a true 95 inches take care of it?
1/4 in and 9-inch pulley would make a difference. And 95 would be my choice.
Okay, Curtis. You've answered the questions that I needed answered. Thanks. I'll end this and give you the excellent rating.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.